In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Roblox Studio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Roblox Studio and then go to your game. All right, once you're here in your game, you want to go to the top right and select on this AI assistant button. Then what you want to do is you want to look down here and you will notice there's going to be an assistant section. Press on these three dots and you want to select on manage MCP servers. Then make sure that MCP servers is selected. Press over here where it says setup instructions. Select on startup command. Then you want to go ahead and copy it like this. The next thing you will need to do is you will need to install ChatGPT Codex. This is basically the desktop app for ChatGPT and will allow you to actually connect to Roblox Studio. So be sure to go ahead and install it. It is completely free, and here's how the download page is going to look like. So be sure to install this app and then you're going to be good to go. All right, once you're here, the next order of business is you want to go to the bottom left, select on your profile picture, then press on settings and go over here to where it says MCP servers. Then select on add server. Then you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Roblox. Okay, now over here where it says command to launch, you want to type in cmd.exe. Then where it says arguments, the first one you want to do is you want to do /c. Then select on add arguments. And then you want to go ahead and paste in the command that we got previously. So it should look something like this. Then afterwards, you're able to select on save. And that is going to do the job for you. All right, now once that is connected, now you're able to go ahead and start a chat. Then you're able to type in something like connect to Roblox Studio, please. And then that is going to do the trick for you.